How do the Grey Knights, the Imperium's secret demon hunters, get recruited? Every Grey Knight begins as a secret. Their journey starts with the company of Gatherers, silent agents who depart from the Chamber of Trials on Titan. Their mission is to find Psykers of incredible potential and unbreakable will from anywhere. The Gatherers take from the black ships. They seize untithed Psykers lost beyond Imperial rule. They even steal from other Space Marine chapters without asking permission. Because to face demons, only the extraordinary survive. Those chosen are taken to Titan, their fate erased from history. In the Chamber of Trials, they endure the most advanced bioengineering and psychosurgery ever devised by mankind. Their minds are broken, reforged and scrubbed clean, memories and identity wiped away. Then comes the unthinkable, the 666th Rituals of Detestation, trials designed to expose their souls to terror that would shatter even the greatest of Space Marines. Only if they remain uncorrupted, unafraid, unbroken, do they continue. Survivors are grouped under a Justicar, honed into weapons of pure will. When they ascend into the upper chambers, they are novitiates, trained until every trace of weakness is extinguished. And finally, acceptance. They undergo the transformation into the Emperor's finest. Silver purity wards are etched beneath their skin, covering their bodies in holy protection. Their minds become fortresses against the warp. They emerge as the Emperor's last secret hope against the darkness. They are the Grey Knights, demon hunters born from erased lives and unbreakable faith.